Leetcode daily challenge 36, 37. Trionic array number 1. This is an easy problem. With a given array, we are asked to check if this array is increasing first, then decreasing, then increasing again. All we have to do is just to go through this array to check if it is this array follow this pattern, and we can stop anytime where there's any violation about these rules. First of all, obviously, whenever there's two numbers equal, then that means we can stop, or we can set a flag increasing, decreasing, and increasing. We're increasing if number 1 is greater than number 2, then that's not right, we stop. Or where it is decreasing and we found number 1 is smaller than number 2, then another violation, which is stop. Follow this pattern, we get reach to the end of this array. If there's no violation, then it is a true. Otherwise, false. That's the solution. We're gonna solve this problem.